Hey everybody, in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Shiftless When Idle by The Replacements. And this song's off the Sorry Ma Forgot to Take Out the Trash record. Before we get started, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And here we go. Okay, so the song starts off in F sharp, and you're going to play an F sharp power chord. And then there's like kind of like a little, I don't know how to describe it, but it goes like this. And you're just going to basically lift off that power chord and play the open E string. Real slowly. And then the fill goes something like this. And then he's going to let it ring, so. He plays it a little different each time. I think he plays it 4 times in the intro. And that's played over again, that F sharp power chord. And then so the next part starts off with the. And so you're basically, again, with F sharp, palm muting. And then you're going to slide up with your index finger on the 6th fret of the A string. You're going to play the power chord here. And then you're going to use your pinky on the 9th fret of the B string to give it that little accent. So. And then it's going to go into the chorus, which you slide down to a B power chord. Then it goes back into the verse with that little ringing lead. And then after that we're going to go into the bridge, which starts off in a B. So that's the first part. Then it switches up. Then it goes back to that first part. And then the last part is going to finish a little differently. And then over the top of those chords, Bob's going to play. So your index finger's on the D string on the 4th fret. And then it's going to go the 4th time. And over that, you're going to play. So it's going to go. And it's going to go through that 2 times. After that, we're going to go into the lead. And so for the lead, these are kind of Chuck Berry style bends with your index finger bridged over the B and E string on the 14th fret. And then you're going to bend with, actually you can, I usually use my ring finger. But on these higher frets where they get kind of closer together, you could actually even use your middle finger here. Because that'll actually set you up into a better position to do this next part, which goes like this. So you're going to use your ring finger on the 17th fret to do that. So it goes like something like this. So slowly. And then, so that's kind of tricky. He plays it real fast. The best way to kind of do that second phrasing, is to bridge your finger over the 14th fret, your index finger, on the B and E strings, and then you're going to push with your middle finger on the 16th fret, and you're going to do a pull off with your ring finger. And it's really all a timing thing. You just kind of have to practice this over and over again. And you can kind of fake it while you're learning by just kind of doing that motion. So, but really the best way to do it is to just practice that real slow and just keep doing it faster and faster. So again, the lead goes something like this. And then at the very end, he's going to do another bend with his index finger on the 14th fret and ring finger on the 17th fret of the B string. And that's how the solo ends. And then there's going to be an outro, and the rhythm guitar is going to be playing a C sharp. And then over that, Bob is going to play. And that's basically it for the song. It's a pretty short song, but it's a little complicated. There's a lot of parts as far as like a punk song goes, and it's got some cool fills and cool leads that are. I really think like Bob Stinson has a really interesting way of playing a lot of these replacement songs that kind of outside the box, things you wouldn't think of. Again, if you like this video, remember to like it and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I'll see you guys next time.